right? And she registers herself twice in 2 months. And then she goes and votes, or somebody else votes for her. This is how the Bangalore Central Lok Sabha election was stolen. Just take me back to the numbers. 1 lakh. Yeah. So 1,250,000 stolen, election won in one assembly. Duplicate votes 11,965. Menu दे रहा हूं ना आपको. Dessert, starter, right? Duplicate voter 11,965. Fake and invalid addresses 40,009. Bulk voters in single address 10,452. Invalid photos 4,132. Misuse of Form 6 33,692. The reason the Election Commission does not give us data is because this is happening across the country. Okay. Next one. To give you an example, the difference between winning and losing the Haryana election for the Congress was 22,779 votes in the entire state. In one assembly election, one assembly in Karnataka, they've stolen 4 times that. Right? The scale is unbelievable. There's 6.5 lakh voters, and literally 1 lakh of those don't exist. They're being manufactured. And let's not forget that the Prime Minister is the Prime Minister of India with a very slender majority, 25 seats. 33,000 votes was the winning margin. Okay, so what we're saying to the Election Commission is you're not in the business of destroying Indian democracy. You're in the business of protecting it. All this information now, this is evidence. Not just the Karnataka information, every single voter list of the country. This is a crime that is being committed against the Indian Constitution, against the Indian flag. Okay, this is nothing less than that. And this is evidence of the crime in one assembly. We are absolutely convinced because we see the pattern. We have studied the pattern. We are absolutely convinced that this crime is being done at a huge scale across the country, in state after state after state. So for us, the CCTV footage and the voter list is now evidence in crime. And the Election Commission is busy trying to destroy it. So I want the nation to know that there is a huge criminal fraud being perpetrated on this country. It is being done by the Election Commission and the party in power, and we have given you crystal clear, undoubtable proof here. There is circumstantial evidence. They do not give us the data. They give us the runaround. They have actively themselves said they're going to destroy CCTV footage. This is why they want to destroy it. They want to destroy it so that we cannot identify Shakun Rani voting twice. That's the truth of Indian democracy. Thank you.
साथियों, अब कुछ सवाल लेंगे. एक सेकंड.
हाँ?
सर थोड़ा
हिंदी में बोले, पूरा हिंदी में बोल दे फिर से.
थोड़ा सा हिंदी में बोल दीजिए.
फाइनल. अच्छा ऐसे करिए, वो जल्दी से कर देता हूं हिंदी में. देखिए, कर्नाटक में, जस्ट लेट्स रन थ्रू इट क्विकली इन हिंदी. पहले वाले, गो टू द फर्स्ट स्लाइड. हमें सस्पेशन था, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड, हमें सस्पेशन था, करोड़ों लोगों को सस्पेशन था कि दाल में क्या कुछ ना कुछ काला है। बीजेपी को एंटी इनकम्बेंसी नहीं लगती थी। ओपिनियन पोल, एग्जिट पोल कुछ कहते थे, रिजल्ट कुछ और आता था। हरियाणा, महाराष्ट्र, मध्य प्रदेश उदाहरण, माहौल बनाया जाता था कि इस कारण जीते। लाडली बहना, पुलवामा, सिंदूर, नैरेटिव क्रिएशन। और फिर इलेक्शन कमीशन कोरियोग्राफ शेड्यूल बनाता था। जब कागज के वोट पड़ते थे, हिंदुस्तान एक दिन में वोट करता था, बट अब इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटर मशीन है, महीने लगते हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश के मतलब 5 स्टेजेस हो गए, महाराष्ट्र में 3-4 लगा दो, असम का टाइमिंग चूज करो, हरियाणा का टाइम बदल दो, महाराष्ट्र का टाइम बदल दो। तो इसके कारण हमें सस्पिशन हुआ कि कुछ ना कुछ है। उसके बाद